All right, let's take a look at exercise 5. Again, this should look familiar to you. We did this with J-frames instead of J-applets, but again, it's the same thing. Just examples of drawing various shapes. Let's jump to the code. Here in the shapes.java file, we see our override of the paint method. We're calling draw rectangle, providing it the starting x and y coordinates along with the width and the height of the rectangle. The draw rounded rec, again, same thing, x and y, followed by width and height, and then the width and the height of the arc of the corner. Oval, starting point, x and y. Size of the bounding box, width and height. Then we draw a circle inside that bounding box such that the top, left, right, and bottom of that circle touch the sides of the box. Show arc, again, draws a partial circle, x, y, for the bounding box. The size of the bounding box. Then where on that clock do we start? 3 o'clock is 0. We move counterclockwise along the arc, so we start at 60 and move 100 degrees to 160 degrees. Again, very straightforward. The same calls, same parameters that we saw with GUI-based applications. Remember when I said applets and GUI-based applications are going to share a lot of the same things. The components work. Event handling is done in the same way. The paint method works the same way. The graphics class has the same capabilities in applets as it does in J-frames. So we're not really seeing anything different. The last item that we will look at this evening, or I shouldn't say this evening because we're not actually in class, but for this lesson, is one you will need to pay close attention to. This will be your homework. This will be used in your homework. All right? There is going to be a short assignment. It's a rather fun assignment. It is worth 10 points. It will be due the evening of the final exam. It will be very easy. I will be on hand after the final exam to assist you with it if you need assistance. But you will be drawing filled shapes to make an American flag. All right? So you're finished with this exercise. You can move on to exercise 6, and then there'll be a quiz for you to take, and then you can view your homework.